First thing you need to do is remove the shrader valve and let all the air out. You can do it with one of these valve tools, or you can do it with needle nose pliers. Shrader valve. Load your tire up on top, put that through one of the lug nuts, and this comes down, and then you just turn this to tighten. You just want to get it tight enough that the tire won't move. Use this as a wrench to tighten it. Walk it around. All right, I wrestled with the stock tire changer for a good 30 minutes and could not get it to mount. I'll spare you, I make a blooper reel or whatever. So I'm going to add some 303 as a lubricant along the rim, and hopefully that's helps seat it. And then you can use a clamping wrench or something like that to clamp down, but I'm going to go ahead and use these since that's what they're designed for. Basically put them on there to hold down, keeping the lip from popping up, because what was happening is I'd get one side on, start moving the bar around, and then as I got probably to about a 50%, then the other side would start coming off. So I was basically just chasing the rim around where it was half mounted, half not, whereas this should keep that from happening. And they're just spring loaded. Like I said, you could put a locking vice grip type pliers on there as well. Just be careful about damaging your rim. I'm also wearing some protective gloves because there was a lot of slippage, and last time I busted my thumb, didn't even realize I had done it, and then when I took my glove off it was filled with blood. So hopefully that won't happen today. So the way this tool is supposed to work is this side catches on the rim and the tire sits between these 2 points, and then you roll it around, which hypothetically presses it onto the rim. What I found most people had to do with these stiffer sidewall tires is use this and kind of basically pop it on, you know, a couple inches at a time, and you know, when you get real lucky at the end, it'll pop over and stay on. Of course, I also found a bunch of videos where they built their own of these or modified them or even bought you know, more custom sized tools. But I think you can get it done with this tool. It's just, it's not a perfect design. This doesn't like to hook onto the Crown Vic rim, and then, like I said, I think because these are firmer sidewalls, there's not a lot of give, whereas if this is a big, you know, wide sidewalled truck tire or something, it would probably just pop right on. But we'll give this a go again and see if the 303 helps. And you see that's what happens, it just wants to slide off, and that's where you come into using this to try to pry it over this way. But then without something to hold the opposite end, it just pops off. From what I can tell, the way this works is it goes on like that. You pop it down And then it just secures itself like that to hold the tire down for you, so that when you're rocking and rolling around here, that you're not hopping up. The farther you get, the harder it gets, because it just really wants to resist you. Imagine there's going to be a sweet spot at some point where it just wants to go on. More of these on. Hopefully, with that being pushed down below, hopefully that'll give me a little more clearance in here. Should just remove these. This is probably not mandatory, but I'm going to go ahead, since I have had leaks before, basically along the bead. Just helps it seal. It's kind of like a rubber cement. Go. There we go.